reporting live from AATL TV. We are on the green carpet. This is the place to see and be seen. Our fabulous celebrities are strutting their stuff. We are so excited for today. Let's see if we can grab a few interviews from these amazing people. Katie!
Hi.
What do you think of our new turf?
It's very green.
It's very green. Brindley! It's Brindley, everyone! Hi, Brindley. We've been so excited to talk to you. What do you think of the new turf?
It's very fun to roll in. It's green and soft.
I think it's soft and it's good to sleep on.
There's no more grass stains.
Listen, we have a great playground to play on now. We are so excited about this, and this really wouldn't have been possible without all of you helping us. So thank you so much for your donations. These kids are going to love this playground. Signing out, AATL TV.